Tired of throwing your ETH into a platform black hole? Today, we're diving deep into the best places to trade Ethereum, so you can finally choose the right platform and maximize your crypto profits. First, let's tackle the two main contenders: centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, which act as intermediaries, and decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, operating directly on the blockchain. Centralized exchanges typically offer lower fees, higher liquidity, and user-friendly interfaces, but come with custody risks and KYC requirements. DEXs prioritize security and anonymity but can have higher gas fees and a steeper learning curve. Fee structures vary widely. Coinbase Pro, for instance, uses a tiered system based on your 30-day trading volume. Always check the fine print to see what you're actually paying per trade. Security is paramount. Centralized exchanges hold your funds, making them potential targets for hackers. DEXs eliminate this risk by keeping your ETH in your own wallet, secured by your private keys, but you are solely responsible for the security. Liquidity impacts how quickly you can buy or sell it at your desired price. Major centralized exchanges generally offer the best liquidity, allowing for larger trades with minimal slippage. While this can vary on decentralized exchanges, consider your trading style and desired features. Some platforms, like Kraken and Gemini, cater to advanced traders with margin trading, futures, and staking options. Others, like KuCoin, provide access to a wider variety of altcoins. So, which platform reigns supreme? It depends entirely on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Do your research, compare the options, and choose the platform that aligns with your goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights, and let us know your preferred platform in the comments below.